and you can keep your target as 20 SMA. So using this strategy, a beginner also can trade and earn 2K per day without much technical knowledge. Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Trader Chitra. Today we are going to see one of the powerful technical indicator, Bollinger Band, and how to trade based on Bollinger Band for intraday and swing trading. Bollinger Band was developed by John Bollinger in mid of 1980s and he trademarked this term in 2011. It is a technical indicator that plot lines that are calculated based on the standard deviation of the simple moving average. In Bollinger Band, we can see in the middle, the simple moving average is the 20 SMA. Okay, and how can we use this Bollinger Band in our trading? We will see that. Okay, so Bollinger Band helps determine whether the price are high or low on the relative basis. Also, how can we use this Bollinger Band? We should always use this Bollinger Band in pairs. Pairs means the upper band and the lower band in conjunction with the moving average. That is, we should use the upper band, lower band also with the moving average. That is the simple SMA. And it is also used to identify the trending market versus the sideways market, that is consolidating markets, based off its ability to gauge the market volatility. So Bollinger Band is also used to identify the market volatility. Here below, these are the calculation of the upper Bollinger Band and the lower Bollinger Band. Here we have written like middle Bollinger Band. Middle Bollinger Band is what? But nothing but 20-day simple moving average, that is 20 SMA. Upper Bollinger Band, how can we calculate the upper Bollinger Band? That is 20-day SMA plus 20-day standard deviation of price multiplied by 2. Lower Bollinger Band equal to 20-day SMA minus 20-day standard deviation of the price multiplied by 2. You don't want to learn the calculation, okay? Just you want to understand how to use the Bollinger Band. And upper Bollinger Band equal to resistance and lower Bollinger Band is the support. Now we can see how to use the Bollinger Bands. Traders designate the upper and lower Bollinger Band as price targets when drawing the bands. So upper band is the resistance and lower band is the support. So always price will attract the 20 SMA, that is the middle Bollinger Band. Say for example, if you are entering a trade at the resistance level, so you can keep the target as the 20 SMA, that is nothing but the middle Bollinger Band. When price continuously touches the upper Bollinger Band, it can indicate that as an overbought signal. At the same time, while price continuously touching the lower Bollinger Band, it means that the oversold signal. So this is the overview of the Bollinger Band. We can see here the upper blue line. This is the upper Bollinger Band, and in the center we can see the orange line. This is the middle Bollinger Band, that is nothing but 20 SMA, and the lower line we can see here. This is the lower Bollinger Band. So this is how Bollinger Band will looks like. So upper line, this upper Bollinger Band is the resistance level and the lower Bollinger Band is the support level, as we discussed earlier. What is Bollinger Band skews? Bollinger Band skews occurs when the volatility is very low. That is, volatility falls to the low level and Bollinger Band becomes narrow. That is, when the price is in the consolidation phase or the price is in the sideways. How can we identify that? We can easily identify with the help of Bollinger Band. That time the Bollinger Band will become skews. According to the John Bollinger, how the low volatility is coming, like how the low volatility is formed. That is, periods of low volatility are often followed by the periods of high volatility. We can tell like that after a trending market, the price will consolidate. That is called low volatility. Okay, so therefore a volatility contraction or narrowing of the bands can foreshadow a significant advance or decline. Bollinger Band skews will be looking like this. That is, volatility will be very less here and the price also will be in the narrow range. We cannot see any uptrend or any downtrend when the price is in the skews. That is when the Bollinger Band is getting skewed. So after Bollinger Band skews, two things can happen. One is Bollinger Band breakout and the second is the Bollinger Band breakdown. So after Bollinger Band skews, we can see here there is a breakout. Breakout means price is breaking the resistance level and price is moving up. This is called Bollinger Band breakout. This is the example for the Bollinger Band breakdown. See here, we can see that the price is getting skewed, and after that we can see that the price is breaking down. That is, price is breaking the support level and falling down. Till now we have seen what is Bollinger Band, that is upper Bollinger Band, lower Bollinger Band, that is upper Bollinger Band can act as a resistance zone and lower Bollinger Band can act as a support zone. Now we can see how can we enter into this trade, that is the trading setup we can see using the Bollinger Band. This is a simple trading setup. Okay, we don't want to use any other indicators except the Bollinger Band. So here in the support we got the red candle. You can see here this red candle. After that immediately we got one green candle. So sellers are here and buyers entered after that. So above this green candle we have to look for buying opportunity. So the stop loss will be the low of the red candle. So here we have to look for buying opportunities. Next we will see for the selling. Here buyers are there. Okay, so this green candle we can see here. Immediately we got one red candle. So we have to look for selling opportunity below this low of the red candle. So once this low is taken away, we can enter into the short trade. So again the stop loss will be the high of this green candle. We can see in detail how we can enter into this trade based on the different time frames. I will explain you in detail there. Now we can see how can we add the Bollinger Band in the trading view. So go to indicator and type Bollinger Band. So we can see here Bollinger Bands. Click on that. So this is the Bollinger Band setup. Okay, here we are not going to change anything in the settings. Keep it as a default settings. Okay. So this is how Bollinger Band will be looking, and the price will be moving inside the Bollinger Band. That is, candles will be moving inside the Bollinger Band. Sometimes the candles will come outside of the Bollinger Band. So again you can see here this is the upper Bollinger Band, middle Bollinger Band and the lower Bollinger Band. So when the price, that is candle, is away from the 20 SMA, the candle price will always attract the 20 SMA. You can all see here everywhere it is like that. We can see how can we enter into the trade using the Bollinger Band. Here we can see that the price is continuously in the downtrend. Okay, so this setup we can call it as traded outside the Bollinger Band and traded inside the Bollinger Band. So you can see here the red candle, this candle opened inside the Bollinger Band, and you can see the closed outside the Bollinger Band. So the next immediate green candle, this green candle opened outside the Bollinger Band and closed inside the Bollinger Band. So you can ask me where to enter into the trade. So our entry should be above the green candle. So once this high is taken away, you can enter into the trade. So this is the entry candle. I will write it down. Okay. So above this green candle we will enter. Here is the entry, and stop loss is low of the red candle. So the stop loss is the low of this red candle. So we can enter into the trade once this high of the green candle is taken away, and you can keep the stop loss as low of the red candle. Okay, and you can keep your target as 20 SMA. Or once you enter into the trade, and if the trade is going in your favor, you can always trail your profits. How much points we got in this particular trade, we will see that. So we are entering here and we are keeping as 20 SMA as our target. So we got around 101.60 in intraday. Okay. So after that, how much points Bank Nifty moved on the particular day? That is in order to touch the upper Bollinger Band. That is 166 points. So this is how you have to enter into the long trade. Here I am showing the Nifty 5 minutes time frame chart. We can look into the short trade. That is how to enter into the short trade. So this is the upper Bollinger Band. So here we got the green candle, that is candle opened inside the Bollinger Band and closed outside. The half of the body is outside the Bollinger Band. And immediate red candle we got, that is opened outside and closed inside the Bollinger Band. So our entry is always the low of the red candle. Once this low is taken away, we can enter into the short trade. So here is the entry for the short trade. Okay, and the stop loss is the high of the green candle. This is the stop loss. So here, as the 20 SMA is nearby, you can always do a scalping trade, or you can book your profits, or you can always trail your profit. Once the target or once the trade is going according to your favor, you can always keep trailing your profits. Okay, so on that day we got very nice down move. You can see that after the first target is a 20 SMA. After that, the second target will be always the lower Bollinger Band. You can see that the price is continuously going down. We can see how much point we got in the particular trade. That is 37 points. After that, again the price moved down till here. So 93 points in Nifty for the intraday traders. This is the Bank Nifty 15 minutes time frame chart. So this strategy you can use in any time frame. Like before, I have shown in the 5 minutes time frame, and this is a 15 minutes. You can use even in 3 minutes, 1 minute. Those who are doing scalping, they can go for that time frame. So daily time frame, weekly time frame, all the time frame, this strategy will work nice. So here we got the green candle at the upper Bollinger Band and immediate red candle also at the upper Bollinger Band. So one can look into short entry below this red candle. If this low is taken away, anyone can go for short trade. So here is the entry. So we can see how the trade is going on now. So the target is always the mid Bollinger Band. This orange line is here, no? That is 20 SMA. That is our first target. So once the trade is going in our favor, always we can keep trailing our profits. So we can see whether we achieved a target or not. See, we got our first target. Okay. We can see like how much points we got in the short trade. So we entered here. So the mid Bollinger Band is like 129 points. Like we got more than 100 plus points in the particular short trade. Okay. So this is how we need to enter into the short and long trade accordingly. Here, I would like to add one more point here. Here we can see in the lower Bollinger Band, we got the red candle. That is opened inside and closed outside the Bollinger Band, and the next immediate green candle, that is opened outside and closed inside. Here we can always look for the long trade, but here I would suggest you to avoid these types of trade. Why? Here means the stop loss is very big. So if you are not able to afford these types of stop loss, please try to avoid the particular kind of trade. So here we got the our target also. We can see that we got the very big candle which gave close above the mid Bollinger Band. Also it touched the second target, that is the upper Bollinger Band. So always try to avoid these types of trades. This is the Conquer 5 minutes time frame chart. So here we got an entry for the short trade. So here we can see that the green candle, that is at the upper Bollinger Band, and we got the immediate red candle that is opened outside and closed inside the Bollinger Band. So one can enter into the short trade if this low is taken away. If the low of the red candle is taken away, we can enter into the short trade. So we can see now how the trade is going on. So we are into the trade, and our first target is the mid Bollinger Band. So our first target got achieved at the mid Bollinger Band. Now you can see that here our target got achieved. So this is how you have to enter into the short trade. Now we are looking into ICICI Bank weekly time frame chart. So we got an opportunity for the short trade below this red candle. Okay, so now we can see how the trade is going on. So always you have to keep the target, that is first target, as the mid Bollinger Band. So, and remember, this is a weekly time frame chart. So we can see now how the trade is going on. So once we are near to the mid Bollinger Band, we can always keep trailing our profits. See here, we got the target. This candle gave close to the hit the target at the mid Bollinger Band. This is the TVS Motors daily time frame chart. Here we can see that we got the green candle that is opened outside the Bollinger Band and closed inside the Bollinger Band after the red candle. That too we got it at the lower Bollinger Band. So here is the place we look into enter for the long trade. That is, once this high is taken away, we can enter into the long trade. We can see how the trade is going on now. So our first target is the mid Bollinger Band. So our target got achieved now. You can see that our target is achieved. This is the Nifty 5 minutes time frame chart. So here you can see that we got an opportunity to enter into the short trade. So once this low is taken away below this red candle, we can look for short trade. So here is the entry. Okay. So here is the entry. If this low is taken away, we can enter into the short trade. Now we can see how the trade is going on. So using this strategy, a beginner also can trade and earn 2K per day without much technical knowledge. So we will see how the trade is going and whether our target got achieved or not. So see, we got the target. This is my Telegram channel and this is the link, and same is being updated in the description box below. There are multiple fake channels with my name and logo, so please be aware. In this channel, I will share my view on indices, especially the Nifty and Bank Nifty, and also for the stocks. So today is 12th Jan. So this is the Nifty levels which I have shared on 11th Jan. So this is the Bank Nifty levels for 12th, which I have already posted in my Telegram channel on 11th evening. And in the morning at 9:28 I have updated that Nifty is bullish only above this level, that is 79.71. I have updated in my Telegram channel that those who are long in Nifty 17.1936, that is a minor resistance is there, and after that Nifty is not able to break that level. After that you can see there is 100 plus points downfall. I have mentioned Bank Nifty is only bullish above 42,306. And you can see that Bank Nifty also gave downfall of 400 plus points down. So those who didn't join my Telegram channel, please do join my Telegram channel. There I will be sharing the Nifty and Bank Nifty and my stock analysis on daily basis. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.